library assistant at the Lincoln Public Library, and this is my audition tape for Redo My Kitchen. Actually, no. I'm here to just give a quick shout out to all my Hangout people. I know it's been a while since we've last met, so I figured we would share one of our favorite activities, which is mug cakes. Yes, mug cakes, not mud cakes, a cake in a mug. And it's very, very simple. It's only 3 ingredients. So what you need is 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So what I have right here beside me is my handy dandy mug. And all I need is 1/4 cup of icing sugar, and in it goes 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 and 2, and last but not least, I need an egg. So I'm just going to crack the egg. Nice and easy. There we go. And in it goes. And what I need next now is a spoon. So next thing we do is we mix. And when you mix, you got to make sure that you have all the icing sugar well mixed. So it takes just a few seconds. As you can see, I'm just making a mess here. I'm just going to put it on the counter. I'm just going to stir. So it just takes a few minutes. So I'm almost there. Almost there. I'm just going to see if I can bring it to the camera. So you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Ooh, mug cake. So the trick is to get all the lumps out and make sure again that you do not see any icing sugar. So once it's all stirred up, what we do is we put it in the microwave and from a minute to 1 minute and 10 seconds. So what I'm going to do with this microwave, I'm going to put it in for 1 minute and 5 seconds. So I'm almost there. There we go. We're well mixed. There you go. No lumps. It looks pretty good. Now to put it in the microwave. And I'm going to just shut the microwave and put it on for 1 minute. Time cook, 1 minute and 10 seconds and go. So I figured we could have a corny joke minute. So I'm going to start. What has 4 wheels and flies? A garbage truck. What comes out at night with the stars? Dentures. What building has the most stories? The library. What do you get when you put 4 ducks in a box? A box of quackers. What did the little tomato say to the big tomato? Ketchup. Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Aren't you glad I said orange instead of banana? That's one of my favorites. Also, why did the boy bring the ladder to school? Because he wanted to go to high school. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Why did the chicken get dirty, cross over the road, get dirty again, and cross the road? Because he was a dirty double crosser. And I think that's our time to end the jokes. So I'm just going to open up the microwave, pull out the mug cake, and this is when you do a test. The test is with the toothpick. Hopefully when we put the toothpick in, it will come out nice and clear. If not, we have to put it in for another 10 seconds. And we're good. We're ready to eat our mug cake. So you can either keep it in the mug or you can put it into a bowl. We usually have this with ice cream. We sometimes put some strawberry topping on it. So it's a really great, easy snack. So for the recipe recap, all you need is 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and 1 egg. And then you end up with a delicious chocolate cake. So thanks for watching again. Shout out to all my Hangout people. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.